An Italian family taught me. I don't cook chicken any other way. For this recipe, we'll need 1 whole chicken. I'll trim the tips and make this cut down the middle. Then I'll open it and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Tell me what chicken recipe is most popular in your home. I'd love to hear it. I'll flip it and season the other side the same way. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Melissa James from Montgomery. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. In a pan, I'll add oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and stir until melted. Next, add 3 chopped garlic cloves and sauté. Once done, I'll remove the garlic from the pan. I'll place the chicken in the pan and fry for about 3 minutes. Flip it and fry for the same amount of time. This chicken turns out super tender and very flavorful. The result is incredible. After that, I'll remove the chicken. In a bowl, I'll add a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and mix until smooth. After this step, I'll place it in a baking dish. Now let's brush the sauce all over the chicken. Repeat on the other side. And bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. This chicken is absolutely amazing. If I were you, I'd make it right away. You won't regret it.